Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be creating this very glam New Year's Eve look using the two limited edition eyeshadow palettes released for Beautycounter's 2019 holiday collection. So if you aren't familiar, they just recently released their Starlight Eyeshadow palette, which is gorgeous. And the most recently released palette is the Eye Sparkler palette. Ooh, so good. So I also want to mention that this video is again in collaboration with my girl Kelly Lamich. If you haven't checked her out yet, please hop over to her channel. She's amazing and one of the most down-to-earth people I have ever met. Seriously, amazing content, amazing person. So in today's video, we're going to be creating two different looks using these palettes from Beautycounter's 2019 holiday collection. My look is going to be a New Year's Eve look, while Kelly's is going to be kind of like a Christmas Eve cocktail party look. So with these palettes, you can really create just a variety of just glam looks for the holidays and beyond. So if you're interested in sticking around to see this New Year's Eve look and Kelly's Christmas cocktail party look using both the Starlight Eyeshadow palette and the Sparkler palette, then go ahead and keep on watching. So before I jump into the footage of me creating this New Year's Eve look using the Starlight Eyeshadow palette and the Eye Sparklers palette, I first just want to give you a little bit of information about the palettes. So first of all, these are limited edition palettes. Again, they have been released with Beautycounter's 2019 holiday collection. In the Starlight Eyeshadow palette, it comes with 5 beautiful, pigmented, and just gorgeous shades that are so perfect for creating just a glam look for really any occasion. And in the middle, we have Constellation, which is one of Beautycounter's topper shades, like these glitter topper shades. If you have not had a chance to play with Beautycounter's glitter topper shades, you're missing out because they are beautiful. And speaking of Beautycounter's glitter topper shades, in the Eye Sparklers palette, it comes with 4 metallic, come on, they are so beautiful. They are meant to be worn alone. You can layer them on top of other shadows like you will see me doing. I personally think they apply best with your finger or with like a little wet brush to kind of really just get the full benefit of these beautiful shadows. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me creating this New Year's Eve look. And then definitely be sure to check out Kelly's video, which I will link in the description box below, so you can see her create a Christmas Eve cocktail party look, again using Beautycounter's Starlight Eyeshadow palette and the Eye Sparklers palette from their 2019 holiday collection. All right, so that completes this very dramatic New Year's Eve look using Beautycounter's Starlight Eyeshadow palette and the Eye Sparkler palette from their 2019 holiday collection. As you can see, they're just gorgeous per usual. They are formulated just like all of the other Beautycounter shadows. They have the butter powder in them, which really helps with that pigmentation, blendability, and longevity of wear. They are just, seriously, I love Beautycounter eyeshadows, and these palettes for the holiday collection, nailed it. So again, I want to mention that these are limited edition, so if you want to get your hands on these, I would do so now. They would make great gifts, and of course, they would make a nice little present to yourself, so you can create a little glam look as well. So again, before I go, I just want to say, be sure to hop over to Kelly's channel to watch her video. She is gorgeous. She is so talented, so be sure to subscribe to her channel and watch her Christmas cocktail look using the same two palettes. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of my future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.